Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida. And today I got something new. I got something, the first. I think I might be the first in the whole country. What am I talking about? Well, I got, of course, the new 22 Toyota Tundra. What did we do? Well, if you read the title of the video, you kind of already know, but come on over here. Now, we already sold him a nice rough country 3.5-inch lift on here. And what else did we do? Well, we also did a roll and lock E-Series on this. So let's take a look here and see how everything works. So now the E-Series obviously is an electric cover. It is a aluminum one, so it's an all metal one, and it's a terrific fit here. I mean, it really is. Now I like of course I have an E-Series on my personal truck. I like it a whole lot. Works with a remote. Now what I like about this, you just push it one time and it keeps going on its own. Now if you hit it again, it will stop, as you can see here. So let's take a look. Again, I can reverse it. So let's get a good look there, John. And as you can see, it's also very quiet. Makes very, very little noise on this. So all in all, it is a great setup here. Now, of course, a lot of people have got these new Tundras and they want to do a nice cover like this roll and lock. While we are getting these finally in stock, so we're really happy about getting these. All in all, it is a great looking cover. Again, it's all metal here. It's going to come with a 5-year manufacturer warranty on this. Of course, if we put in, you get the 1-year labor on this. Again, I mean, it's super easy to use. Now, as I open this up, first thing I want you to notice is how small the canister is in the bed here. It's got lots of space for, I mean, it's got a huge amount of space. Now, also, if you look over here, here's the drainage system. Now, normally I don't put the drainage system into the floor. I always go into the sides, but they had redesigned this. They put the holes, instead of right in the middle of the bed, they put them off into the corners. Now they're out of the way. So I'm like, okay, perfect. I like what they have done here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do exactly what Roll and Lock says. This is exactly how they got it set up in their directions, and I'm fine with it. Now, again, it's out of the way. Everything looks good, everything functions good. Now, if you like what you see here, you can order this from me. This gentleman here, he's basically got the very first E-Series roll and lock on the new Toyota Tundra. Of course, they have the M-Series, the A-Series, and the E-Series. Basically, an E-Series is an electric version of the A-Series. And again, it's a great product. Man, does this look good. And I love this setup. And this truck got a lot of cool things. It's got the power steps on the side, even has a power step for the tailgate. You can't really go wrong. This is just terrific. It all looks good. Now, as you can see, it has rained on us, but I couldn't wait to do the video. Maybe the sun come back out. I don't know, but right now we're doing it with the rainy day. Again, you can get this from us. You can call us. The phone number is in the bottom of this video. You can go to our website. My recommendation on this stuff, since it's brand new, it might not be on my website. Call me in the store. I can get it easier that way. Ask for John, who's behind the camera. You can ask for Dave, or our newest employee, Joel. He can help you out with this as well. And if you like what you see, hit that like video. Hit that like button. We appreciate it. And always subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date with all this new product. Again, oh, by the way, since you notice there's water around here, none of the covers are 100% waterproof. Keep that in mind. They're water resistant covers. I know people ask me all the time. But they do have some great seals around here, so they do a really good job of keeping the water out. So, but again, if you get a really bad storm, you might see a small amount of water, so keep that in mind. And that's on any cover. If someone's telling you it's waterproof, they're basically not telling you the truth. I'm sorry. Again, it's a great setup. I'm gonna go ahead and close it. Watch your knee there, John, and look how nice that looks. And John, if you can, take a good look on how this looks on it. Because again, when people buy this Tundra, they're not just buying a truck, they want something that looks good. And this does look good. I think it's a great setup. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida, doing a review of the Roll and Lock E-Series on the brand new 22 Toyota Tundra. Thanks.